In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Canva in Sendgrid. First, open Canva. When you open Canva, you will see your main dashboard, where you can start from a template or continue working on an existing project. Take a moment to make sure you are signed in so you can access your designs. Next, create or open your email design. If you are starting fresh, choose an email template and build your layout. If you already have a design, open it so you can update it or reuse it. This is the stage where your email artwork, such as banners, headings, and images, should be placed exactly how you want them to appear in your final email. After your design looks the way you want, click Share. The Share option is what lets you export your design in a usable file format. In Canva, exporting correctly helps ensure your image appears clearly when you later upload it to Sendgrid. Then click Download. This will open the download settings for your design. At this point, it is important to choose an image format that works well for sending. Choose PNG or JPG. PNG is great when you want sharp details, and it can preserve transparency. JPG is typically smaller and works well for photos or images without transparency. Pick the format you prefer, based on how your design looks and the level of file size you want. Now click Download again to confirm. Canva will process your file and save it to your computer. Once you see the download complete, you are ready to move on to Sendgrid. Next, open Sendgrid. Make sure you are in the correct workspace or account where you manage your marketing emails. When you open Sendgrid, you should be able to access the marketing sending features you will use. Click Marketing. This section is where Sendgrid organizes tools related to campaigns and email sending. Staying in the marketing area ensures you can create a message in the right workflow. Then click Single Sends. Single sends are ideal for sending one email at a time. This is a good choice when you want to preview your email and deliver a specific message without running a full automation or campaign. Now open or create an email. If you are creating a new one, you will be prompted to set up the email content. If you are opening an existing draft, you will want to select the email you plan to update. This step is where you begin building the actual sendable message using Sendgrid's editor. With your email open, drag an image block into the email. The image block is the section of the editor where you can place your banner or any graphic. Dragging the block into the email ensures the layout has a clear image area. Then upload your Canva image. In the image upload area, choose the file you downloaded from Canva. This connects your Canva design directly to your Sendgrid message, so the graphic you created will appear inside your email. Finally, click Save. Saving is important because it stores your changes in Sendgrid. Once saved, you can review the email content and continue with whatever comes next in your workflow, such as previewing or sending. And that covers everything you need to know.